Hey, it's Tony here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use your Siri to open Frunk. So let's get to it. Okay, to make the Siri to open your Frunk, what you need to do is create a shortcut. So in order to create a shortcut, you need to open up your shortcut app. So you could actually search by app. The shortcut app is this one. So either that or if you already know where it is, right, you could just open up that. So in my case, I know where it is, so I'm just going to open up the shortcut app. So once the shortcut app is open, so you tap on this plus symbol. So once you have this, search for Tesla. So pick the Tesla and you want to scroll all the way down to says open Frunk. Okay, once you have this added, tap on the name of your car, pick a car that you want to pick, and what you want to do is you want to tap here, actually tap on this arrow, and you will see show when run, right? So you want to uncheck that, right? What that does is every time you open a Frunk, it will give you a confirmation saying, okay, this shortcut is run. So you don't want that, then otherwise you have to press on that OK button every time. So uncheck that. Over here it says open Frunk on the top, so tap on that and tap on rename. You could put whatever the name you want. You could put open sesame if you want that, or you could put whatever you want to name it to open it. If I say open Frunk, it will open it. Whatever the name you put, that's what you need to say it, right, with Siri. So I'm just going to put open. I'm just going to open front. So what happens is I'm putting front. Its reason why is sometimes Siri or it's not recognizing when you say Frunk. So just to make it simpler, I just say open front. You don't even have to put open. You could just put front if you want, or whatever the verbiage that you want to put. I'm just going to hit done. Once that is done, click on done. So as you can see, you will see open front. For me, it's already created. Okay, let's test it out. So I have my phone with me, so I'm going to test it out. So I named it as front. So let's see. Open front. There you go. It took a second, but it's opened the Frunk. As you can see, I didn't have to go through the app and open, right? So if you go through the app and open, it will give you, I mean, it's too many clicks and everything. Or you can even say, hey Siri. So let's see. I closed it. Hey Siri. Open front. There you go. So you could either use Hey Siri, or you could just press and hold it and open front. I like to do a press and hold it and open front. Okay, thank you. Please support by subscribing, liking and sharing the video. Thank you.